So a 2017 Alfa Romeo variable valve actuator failure. Cylinder 4 not contributing. Common problems that people think is like a coil or spark plug, but in this case, number 4 solenoid on the actuator assembly did not spec out properly and wasn't contributing. This comes as an assembly. You cannot service the solenoids by themselves. So the new one is installed and it is void of oil. One of the things that you want to do to avoid a no start when you finish this job is it takes about 3/4 of a cup to a cup or 250 cc's to enter into the void inside the chambers. Take a syringe, fill it up. I'll just go part way here for the purpose of the video. Goes right into here. There's a little check ball. You can see right at the end of the assembly. Introduce it in, depress the check ball, and then of course in it goes. You're going to repeat that until the resistance comes up and it starts to come out the top. You'll get some spillage, but you'll feel it when it gets to the end. It'll start to push against your thumb. Rotate the engine by hand a couple times and see if it takes any more oil. If you're in the 250 cc range, you're probably fine. You might end up with a 30-second to a minute or longer crank to start, but then you should be good to go.